A. What number of screens will maximize their profit? In order to find the maximum profit in a polynomial function, we have to use the formula negative b over 2a. In this polynomial function, b is 160 and a is negative 4, so we divide negative 160 by negative 8. This will get our final answer, which is 20. So 20 will maximize the profit. Question B. What will the maximum profit be in dollars? In order to find the answer to part B, we must use part A. In part A, we found out that 20 screens will maximize the profit. So we have to plug in the number 20 for every x in this polynomial. Next, we have to start simplifying. First, we square 20 and get 400. Then we will distribute and get negative 1600 plus 3200 minus 1456. We then have to simplify. This comes out to 3200 minus 3056, which equals 144. And because the problem told us that P of X is profit in thousands of dollars, we will multiply 144 by 1,000 and get 144,000. So the maximum profit will be $144,000. Part C. When will their profit be $0? In order to find this, we have to make the polynomial function equal to 0. So that makes 0 equals negative 4x squared plus 160x minus 1456. First, we must reduce the polynomial by dividing negative 4 from both sides to get x squared minus 40x plus 364. We then have to factor this polynomial, and in order to do this, we must find factors of 364 that add up to negative 40. And we find that x minus 14 times x minus 26 fits these needs. Then we will make x minus 14 equal to 0 and x minus 26 equal to 0, which makes x equal 26 and x equals 14. So this means that the movie theaters either uses 14 or 16 screens, their profit will be $0. Part D. What is the number of screens they should bring to get a profit of $80,000? For this problem, we must first take our polynomial function and make it equal to 80. Now we have to subtract 80 from both sides of the equation and end up with negative 4x squared plus 160x minus 1536. We then have to divide negative 4 out from the polynomial function. After dividing negative 4 out, we will get x squared minus 40x plus 384. Now we have to factor this new polynomial function, and we end up with x minus 24 times x minus 16. We then have to set x minus 24 equal to 0 and x minus 16 equal to 0. After solving this, we will get x equals 24 and x equals 16. Therefore, in order for the movie theater to make $80,000 in profit, they need to bring 24 or 16 screens.